Commenting on the situation, a resident, Abdulmananindo, lamented the inactions of government and their MP despite several appeals for help. Our leaders are aware of this problem. The current state of this dam is not a surprise to anyone because it benefits a lot of people. This community is not the only community that depends on this dam as their source of drinking water, but several others. Now that it has dried up, all these communities are also affected. We are appealing to our MP, Honorable Lawyer Haruna Idrisu, to please help us. Suleimana Yakubu is a student at Ambaria Senior High School, and he shares with us how the situation is affecting their academic work.
As you can see, here is Jakarta Dam. It is dry up, and as the saying goes, water is life. So we are appealing to the authority. Please come to our aid. During dry season, this dam will dry up. So and it is affecting our mothers, especially their business, and they are roaming about to fetch water in other areas, Kalapuham, Bushagu, Nyashao. So we are appealing to the authority, especially our MP, Lawyer Haruna. Please come to our aid, and other authorities, especially the NGO. Please come to our aid. During morning, early in the morning, the school, we the students, we are supposed to bath before we go to school. And during dry season, this dam is dry up, so we don't know where to go to fetch water. So we will go up to Kalapuham to fetch water and come to bath and go to school. We will arrive late in school, and the masters won't accept our lateness. So they will beat us, and sometimes the masters even sack us.